Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to rename photos on an Android phone. Alright, so let's begin. So if you want to rename photos on your Android phone, then what you need to do is first open your Photos or Gallery application. Once you open it, go ahead and select the photo that you want to rename. After selecting the image, tap on the More option, the three dots usually located at the bottom right or top right corner depending on your device. In some Android versions, you will see a rename option directly there. Tap on rename, enter the new name you want, and then tap save or OK. Your photo will now be renamed. If you are not able to find the rename option inside your gallery app, then don't worry, there is another method you can use. Simply go back to your home screen and open your File Manager or Files app. Most Android phones come with a built-in file manager. Once you open the File Manager, go to the Images folder. Inside that folder, locate the photo you want to rename. Tap and hold the image file to select it. After selecting the file, tap on the three dots in the bottom right corner. From the menu options, choose Rename. Now type the new name for the image and tap OK or Save. That's it. Your photo has now been successfully renamed using the File Manager method, and that's it. This is how you can rename photos on an Android phone. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.